Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm over by Union Square on the west side, and I'm in an apartment. It's a vacant apartment, newly purchased. I'm creating a floor plan, a reflected ceiling plan, and electrical plans. So I'll show you around a little bit. This is obviously the kind of great room combo area, and then kitchen. I'll do a quick run around. It takes up the whole floor of the building. So here's the elevator, comes right up. And then the back end, bathroom. Back end of the apartment is where all the bedrooms are, and the terrace. So we have master closet. This is basically master bed. It's got, we walk past master bath. And then there's a hallway back to one bedroom, two bedrooms, each with closet and bathroom, laundry room. This is where we were, up by the kitchen. And then back here is another bedroom with bath. And here's the terrace. So this is what I'm working on today. If you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether it's in the city or somewhere in the tri-state area, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video and have a fantastic day.